Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a ghost cow. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our ghost cow, let's begin with the nose. So we're just going to make like a little oval shape here. So all we want to do is just make a little oval for the nose. So we're just going to bring this right around here. Next, let's go ahead and make the nostrils. So we're just going to color in two little ovals right here. Now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to make kind of like a sideways oval right here, and then another sideways oval right over here. And then we can just go ahead and take our marker, or your pencil if you're using it, and go ahead and just color each one in. Now, starting here, let's make the sheet around our little ghost cow. So I'm just going to begin here, and I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up. We're going to curve it around, and we're just going to bring it down here. Next, let's bring each one of these lines in just a little bit. Then I'm going to go down and in like this. Same thing here, I might make this one a little taller. We're just going to go down and then in. And then right here, I'm just going to go down. I'm going to go over and bring this up. Now, let's give this little ghost cow some horns. Starting here, let's curve a line that's going to go up and down for a horn. And same thing here, curve up and down for the horn. For the ear, let's curve a line that comes out and back in. And then same thing here, curve this line out and then back in. And you can see the ears kind of came to a little bit of a point. Let's make an oval right inside of each one. Now for a tail, let's just make a little line that's going to curve up. And then we're just going to bring this back. Then for the tip of the tail, let's curve this around to a point. We'll make a smaller point and then bring it back. Now the last thing is we have to put some spots on our ghost cow. So all you want to do is just make some big spots like this all around your ghost cow. So we're just going to put some big spots on here. And I'm going to try to end up with an odd number of spots. So I'm just going to put a couple little spots around here, just like this. And then I want to make this odd number, so I'll put one more right here. And then you can also put a couple little spots on the tail too. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little ghost cow. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.